So it's currently 12:06 a.m.
Is it
or
AM
p.m.
AM?
a.m. And right now we're reacting to a dance that we made up, and we were exaggerating it.
Yeah, like
So-
exaggerating. Like we made up
We
a
didn't.
dance.
That wasn't us
We
actually.
made up a dance, and it was really bad. So we watched the one where we were exaggerating it, and it was probably better than our other. No, I'm
And this was at Bailey's house. And during
Bailey
her
and Riley
birthday,
were
they were
sleeping.
falling asleep. So we just went in the other room and started like jamming out and making dances up.
And Janine started painting. She literally got painted.
Use your surroundings. Without further ado, let's get on with the video.
We're doing a dance. Fifty Wap.
What are you doing? I don't know.
Let's show you.
What is this?
I don't remember.
Yeah, it was cool.
This is exaggerated.
Yeah, this is exaggerated.
Oh wow. I'm like, you just come walking out. Oh no.
Baby, I'm gonna put ass on. Get out of my way.
Get out of my way.
I just fell.
So get out of my way.
We're actually quite tired, but we actually are going to film a video on her channel. Subscribe to her at Nicole
Another
Wyrick
reaction.
Vlogs. Yeah, it's gonna be to Vines.
Maybe. Probably
Probably.
not.
I don't know yet. We actually filmed one, but it like deleted like this little screen of what was on there deleted, which is really weird.
Yeah, we filmed a whole reaction video. Didn't even know mine.
Yeah, but it like turned off. So go subscribe to her, like my videos, subscribe to me if you are new, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.